All right, fifth grade. We are now into the last math lesson for week 8. We have a lot of math lessons this week, but we had a lot to learn with getting into fractions. Today we're still working with fractions, but now we're finally going to start working on adding fractions. And we're going to start with simply adding fractions with like denominators. Here's what I mean. Let's take a look at two pairs of fractions. I have 2/7 plus 4/7. Okay, now here's the tricky thing when you're adding fractions. You might want to look at that and you might say, oh, I can do that. 2 plus 4 gets me 6 and 7 plus 7 gets me 14. Nope. We don't do it that way with fractions. We always leave the denominator the same. What's that, Mr. Ivan? Remember, numerator on top, denominator on the bottom. So we're going to leave the denominator the same. So I'm actually going to keep it as 7 on the bottom. Now I just add my numerators. 2 and 4, you already told me, was 6. So 2/4 plus 2/7 plus 4/7 gets me 6/7. It's as simple as that. 2/7 plus 4/7 gets me 6/7. Let's take a look at that again. All right, like I said before, you might be tempted to look at this and say, oh, 1/6 plus 4/6. Oh, I can do that. 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 6 is 12. Nope. We don't do it that way. You got to keep the denominator the same. So if I'm going to keep the denominator the same, I keep 6 as my denominator. And then I just add numerators. 1 plus 4 gets me 5. Well, why do I do it that way? Why do I say that 1/6 plus 4/6 equals 5/6? Well, to do that, let's take one more look at our rainbow fraction tiles. All right, so now that I got my rainbow fraction tiles in front of me, 1/6, so let's circle it. All right, so let's go ahead and circle the 6. There we go. And now let's circle 4/6. I'm going to change colors so you can see what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so if I have my 1/6 plus my 4/6, how many 6 did I just circle in both yellow and green? Yeah, you got it. It's going to be 5. So that's why I call it 5/6. 1/6 plus 4/6 gives me 5/6. We just showed it on the rainbow fraction tile. Now you're going to show me on your toucan fraction worksheet, number 5. This is going to be the last worksheet of the week.